everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making baklava, the crown jewel of Turkish dessert.
But today we are making in Sri Lankan twist.
Layer of filo pastry, roasted cashew nut instead of honey. I am using Sri Lankan KITHUL Syrup.
Let's make Sri Lankan baklava.
Normally walnut and pistachio using for the classic baklava, but today I want to Sri Lankan flavor. That's why I am using different type of nuts. Today I am using peanut and cashew nut. My nuts are ready. I am going to crust my nut, peanut, sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon powder. Now I am going to blend. This mix is going to be the heart of our baklava layers. Now I am going to make filo dough for the baklava. Olive oil, white wine vinegar, salt. Now I am add a little bit warm water. This one need to rest 1 hour. Now I am going to assemble my baklava. Apply some butter.
Baklava is all about thin and buttery layers.
Lay down a sheet of filo, brush with melted butter, then repeat. I already done with 6 layers. Now I am going to add my crusted nut filling. Again 6 layers. Before making, I am going to cut this. Now baking time.
While the baklava is baking, let's make the syrup.
We need sugar, cloves, cardamom. Now I am at water. Now I am at rose water. Panning. Boil everything about 5 minutes until slightly thick. Look at that. Let it cool down before using. Add some crusted nuts. Tasting time.
Oh wow!
Flaky pastry, buttery cashew.
And which triggers sweetness.
It's lighter than honey.
This is baklava with true Sri Lankan soul. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Comment me below what should I try next.
Until then, I won.